Kasbah Agadir Oufella, also known as the Agadir Oufella Ruins, is a historic site perched on a hilltop overlooking the city of Agadir, Morocco. This ancient fortress offers a glimpse into the rich history and heritage of the region. Here's a detailed overview of Kasbah Agadir Oufella. Key features of Kasbah Agadir Oufella. Historical significance. 16th century fortress. The Kasbah was originally built in the mid-16th century by the Saadian Sultan Mohammed X Sheikh to defend against Portuguese attacks. It played a crucial role in the protection and development of the region. Earthquake of 1960. Much of Agadir, including the Kasbah, was destroyed by a devastating earthquake in 1960. The ruins that remain today serve as a poignant reminder of the city's resilience and history. Architecture. Traditional design. The original structure featured typical Saadian architecture, including fortified walls and strategic watchtowers. Although much of the Kasbah is now in ruins, visitors can still see remnants of its former glory. Inscription in Dutch. At the entrance, an inscription in Dutch reads, "Fear God and honor the King," a testament to the historical interactions between Morocco and the Netherlands during the period. Panoramic views. Stunning vistas. The hilltop location of the Kasbah provides breathtaking panoramic views of Agadir City, the Atlantic Ocean, and the surrounding landscapes. It's an ideal spot for photography and sightseeing. Transport to the Kasbah Agadir Oufella can be conveniently accessed through various means. Here's an overview of the different transport options. 1. Cable car, Téléphérique Agadir. Description. The recently introduced cable car provides a scenic and convenient way to reach the Kasbah. Experience. Enjoy breathtaking views of Agadir City and the Atlantic Ocean during the ride. Starting point. The cable car station is located in the city, with clear signs and directions. Tickets. Tickets can be purchased at the station or online. Prices vary for adults, children, and groups. Taxis are a quick and easy way to reach the Kasbah from anywhere in Agadir. Availability, readily available throughout the city. You can hail a taxi on the street or book one via a ride-hailing app. Cost. Prices vary based on distance and time of day. It's advisable to agree on a fare with the driver before starting the journey. 3. Rental car. Description. Renting a car provides flexibility and allows you to explore Agadir and its surroundings at your own pace. 4. Public transportation. Description. Public buses and shared taxis, known as grand taxis, are available, though they may not be as direct or convenient as other options. Bus routes. Check local bus schedules for routes that go towards the Kasbah area. Public transport can be a budget-friendly option.